Okay, this is my 1970 Buick Wildcat. I know a lot of you out there might be wondering, what kind of car did I put that engine into? Well, this is it. We'll take a look at it here. We got chrome valve covers from Mr. Gasket. We got a Holley Performance carburetor. It's a brand new crate engine from highperformer.com. Excel Super Stock wires. So we got a brand new heater core, a brand new radiator, a fresh build on the Turbo 350. I did that myself. And got a decent Pioneer Super Tuner in it. Summit Racing equipment supplied all the speed parts, or at least some of them. We got Equus Performance packs and gauges, brush, splash packs. Oh, don't forget that insurance, State Farm. Yeah, so that's what it looks like from the outside. Pretty sweet, huh? I like it. It's a big car and it moves well on the highway. This is what it looks like inside the vehicle. There's your Pioneer Super Tuner and your Equus packs and gauges.